Hello friends, how are you? My name is Chandrasekhar. Today I brought a notification from Bank of Baroda. You can see here online registration application start from 9th April as well as last date of online registration will be like 29th April. So before apply as soon as 29th April. Here you can see the all the details of positions. Here see senior relationship manager. Minimum age will be 24 and maximum age will be 35. A degree in any discipline from an university recognized by government. And desirable qualification is 2 years full-time post-graduation degree or diploma in management. Here you can see minimum 3 years experience in relationship management and wealth management with public banks or private banks, any foreign banks. And next post is here relationship manager. You can see 407 vacancies are available here. E-wealth relationship manager 50 vacancies are available. Minimum is 23 years, maximum is 35 years. Any graduate in from same as like as senior relationship manager degree will be there, but here the thing is experience will be 2 years. Next, territory head. Here 44 vacancies are available here. Minimum is 27, maximum is 40. Same as rules are applicable for the for education qualification. As rules are applicable as well like senior relationship manager. But here minimum 6 year experience in relationship management, in wealth management, out of which 2 years as a team lead. Next here you can see group head 6 vacancies are available. Minimum is 31 years, maximum is 45 years. A degree same it is these degrees are same as like as every degree is same, any degree people they can apply, but desired qualification is like 2 years. But here the education, here the experience is changing for each and every position. Minimum 10 years experience in managing sales in wealth management. So you can see here minimum 10 years is required for here. Next, product head investment research. Here one vacancy is available. Minimum is 28 years, maximum is 45 years. A degree you can know anyway. Minimum 7 years experience in investment product. Here you require 7 years experience. Next, head. It is one vacancy is available. Minimum 31 years, maximum 45 years. Education qualification is like any graduate degree they can apply, but experience will be minimum 10 years should be required in finance service, invest private banks, out of which 8 years of experience in setting up and managing mid office. Next, digital sales manager. One vacancy is available. Minimum 20 years experience, maximum 40 years experience. Any degree in any discipline from the university. Minimum 5 years experience in driving sales of investment product to the digital channel. IT function analyst manager. Here also one vacancy is available. Minimum 26 years experience age and maximum 35 years age. Degree from any recognized university AICT. Minimum 5 years experience in building and managing a technology platform and infrastructure in a wealth management setup. Roles and responsibility. Here you can see here the position placing, okay, posting. Here these are the postings are available here in Ahmedabad 30. So these are the posts are available. So you can see here the position wise as well as some of the location they are giving places. I will provide this notification in description link. You can see all the details there. Next here reservation and posts. See account of reservation wise they are shown here posts, so you can see in notification these all the things. Next here is the relaxation. You can see here SC/ST candidates 5 years, backward caste 3 years, non-creamy layer, person disability with general is 10 years, OBC 13, SC/ST 15. Ex-serviceman commission, these all for them 5 years, person ordinary domicile from Jammu Kashmir 5 years. Remuneration they didn't told any payment scale here, but they told pay scale is like for fixed dependent will be the depending on qualification experience they will give pay scales. Next it is period of selection procedure. Here the selection procedure is like they will conduct the any personal interview or group discussion. So they will first select the some of the applicable candidates to the personal interview as GD. Based on the performance in interview or group discussion, they will shortlist the people. Here you can see how to apply. You need to register this here based on your valid email ID and contact number. Here you see here filling the application form. You need to fill the application form. Here the link is provided. I will provide this link in description. Go through that link and fill this application. As you have to fill the application form, you have to submit your resume, as well as you need to submit all the related documents in post graduation, graduation, experience certificate, and you need to put the photo as well as signature. These are the self attached. Next, payment will be like for general and OBC candidates will be 600 rupees, and that too it is plus GST and transaction charges are there. Next, 100 rupees for SC/ST, PW women candidates. Similarly, GST and transaction charges are available. So this is the application fee. That much application you need to pay. Next here you can see here roles and responsibilities. According to the position, what are the roles and responsibilities we need to do. See here, these are all the things that given. So I'm not going through this all the detail because of lack of time. And next we have see here they given photograph images, signature images. So according to this dimensions and DPI, okay, we need to frame an JPG file and you need to upload these all the things. So read these all the things and make your signature and photograph and upload there. So these are the documents you need to upload here, PDF format documents. So upload those all the documents. Next here you can see this is the format for the OBC, SC/ST, EW and PW candidates. So according to this format you need to submit the certificate. Next you can see here, like these are some other certificates are there here, income certificate, validation certificate, some other certificates are there. So you can see these all the things in notification. So go through that notification. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video.